Hi, and welcome to this focus chapter on time management and smart workflows for designers in Canva. Whether you're a freelancer, work in an agency, or you're an in house designer here in Zambia, this system will help you reduce stress, speed up your work, and accelerate your design career. Let's get into it. Our learning objectives: we're going to master time saving tools, we're going to learn new methodologies to optimize efficiency, we're going to optimize Canva workflows by increasing efficiency by leveraging Canvas features. We're also going to learn how to minimize stress by adopting smart design practices for stress reduction. Also, how to increase profitability by managing our time effectively. Now, let's look at something we call the designer's challenge. We all love being creative, but we also face pressure to deliver on time. Design takes energy, time, and inspiration, but deadlines, they don't care. Balancing creativity with structure is the key. That's what we're building here. A system that supports your design flow while keeping you professional and punctual. Now, we need to understand the time thieves. Let's be honest. What's stealing your time right now? In Zambia, many creatives lose up to 3+ hours daily from digital distractions, power outages, or simply unclear schedules. Some studies show 40% of deadlines are missed, not because of bad design, but poor time structure. It's not always lack of skill, often it's a lack of systems. That's why we need to get to learn how to prioritize our time. Here are some prioritization techniques, starting with the Eisenhower matrix. There are four categories in the Eisenhower matrix which helps you to prioritize what truly matters. And these four categories are: what's urgent and important, you do it now. Two, what's important but not urgent, you schedule it. Three, what's urgent but not important, you delegate it. And four, what's not urgent and not important, you delete it. An example would be wedding program due today. That's urgent and important. Updating your price sheet. Important but not urgent. A friend's quick flyer during your deadline. You delegate or delay. Scrolling memes on TikTok. That's not important, not urgent, you delete it. This tool helps you cut through the noise. Some more prioritization tools or techniques would be: the first being the ABCDE method. This helps you structure your task list. A, must do today, no excuses. B, should do, that's important but not urgent. C, nice to do, that's optional. D, delegate, that's ask for help. E, eliminate unnecessary tasks. So, in our context, let's say A would be finalize a funeral program for delivery today. B would be update your portfolio. C, explore new font styles. D, maybe send your brother to the printer. E, TikTok scroll trap, you'd get to delete that. So start every day with your A tasks. The next would be the 80/20 rule, also called the Pareto principle. It says 80% of your results come from just 20% of your actions. Ask yourself, which clients bring in most of your income? Which Canva templates are your go tos? Which 20% of habits waste 80% of your energy? Focus more on what works, cut out what doesn't. That's how smart designers work efficiently. Let's now bring it into Canva. Start by creating reusable templates for flyers, menus, and social posts. Use folders to keep your client work organized, preferably a different folder for each client. Set up your brand kit with logos, colors, and fonts. You can do this for each client. Master keyboard shortcuts to speed things up. For example, Control plus D equals to duplicate. Control plus T, add text. Control plus R, rectangle. Control plus L, line. Control plus G, that's to group. Shift plus K is to capitalize. Control plus Z is to undo. And remember, batch your creative work for even more speed. Now, working with clients or a team requires collaboration and delegation. So you can get to use Canva's inbuilt collaboration tools. You can share folders, like for example, shared folders help organize brand assets. Team comments let you gather feedback directly in designs. Set roles and permission to control edits. Now you can do that with a pro version of Canva. This turns Canva into a real collaborative studio. Now, great design isn't just about graphics, it's about delivery. So we need to learn how to integrate project management tools. Use tools like Trello for organizing tasks visually, Asana or ClickUp for managing multiple projects. You can use Google Sheets to track payments and revisions. Also, get to learn as a designer, this is very important, to set realistic deadlines based on project scope. Track your time and identify where delays happen. This gives you control over your design business. In conclusion, design smarter, not harder. Here's the truth: creativity flourishes when you have structure. Smart time management and smart workflows let you focus on what you love, and that's design. And when you organize, your confidence grows, and so does your income. A few action steps and things we can do and try out this week is: one, we can get to create Canva templates for repeat use. Two, you can get to organize folders by project or client. Three, you can get to time block 3 hours for deep design work. Four, you can get to use three Canva shortcuts in your next project. And five, you can try the Eisenhower matrix or ABCDE on your to-do list. Small steps equals to big progress. You've got this.